Alright, a short vlog update for you guys. I recently attended the launch event for Lenovo's LOQ line of products here in the Philippines. I got to try out some pretty radical new entries in their Yoga, Legion, and IdeaPad lines. But to recap what Lenovo revealed in their event, they showed off the new Yoga, Yoga Slim, and Yoga Pro models and their respective pricing. The eye catchers there for me were definitely the new Yoga Slim 7i Carbon and the new Yoga Book 9i. I can't deny it, I'm a fan of the Slim line from Lenovo. Hell, I daily drive a 2021 model Legion Slim 7i. To me, it looks like the new Slim 7i Carbon that's packing the Intel Core i7-1360p with 16 gigs of RAM would be a great choice for non-gamers that need a whole lot of power and not too much laptop. Another great standout is the Yoga Book 9i. Man, that thing was impressive. Look here in my video, it turns from a tablet to a full dual display laptop book. Then you can add this magnetic keyboard to it that either connects closer to you so you can use the remaining 1/3 of the bottom screen as a mini screen, or you can connect it farther from you and the bottom 1/3 of the screen becomes this giant touchpad. Then you can prop it up on the included origami stand and have it display windows side by side on its two screens. And it even comes with a stylus. You know how much I love my stylus. Anyway, that's the Yoga Book 9i. I'm currently requesting one from Lenovo to review. Let me know down in the comments if you're down to see an unboxing and review of this laptop. Then we get to the meat and potatoes of the event, gaming, specifically on both ends of the spectrum for Lenovo. The new LOQ or LOQ line for the entry level, and the refreshed Legion laptops for 2023. Just to keep you guys updated with the lineup, it goes like this. The LOQ devices are kind of like budget versions of the high-end Legion devices, like how Asus stuff is a budget version of ROG. Anyway, they introduced the LOQ laptops which span previous to current gen specs. You can see the pricing on the screen right now. I think the best value here is the LOQ 15i RH8 with the i5-12450H processor, 8 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and the RTX 4060. At just 69,995 or 70,000 pesos, it blows many other entry-level gaming laptops out of the water. Plus, it's got support for DLSS 3.0, so you're not leaving any frames on the table. The 13th gen Intel refresh of the Legion laptops also got their prices revealed, and I'm pretty sure that the 129,995 Legion Slim 5i and the Pro series will probably be the best value out of all the available models. Again, I'm in line to review some of these laptops, so if you're interested in any of them, comment down below so I can answer your questions. So there we have it. Those are the highlights from the Lenovo LOQ launch event. Thank you very much Lenovo for inviting me, and if you have any questions about the devices shown in this video, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to follow me on my other socials, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tech and tech adjacent content. That's it, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.